大家好，阿华要来甲大家绍介全世界头一回台湾博览会就要来啊 ！The world's first Taiwanese Expo。台语毋是干那阿嬷咧讲的语言尔，台语嘛是咱新世纪的台湾人想要甲台湾上水的文化绍介互全世界，一定袂使欠缺的一个基础。Taiwanese is so much more than just grandma's language. It is the very basis that we can't do without if we want to introduce Taiwanese culture to the rest of the world. 在这个博览会内底，有乐团 DJ 念歌行大市啊。In this expo, you will find bands, DJs, minstrels, tours, a market with DIYs, 亲子 DIY 讲座、艺术展览，还有台文的册展，实在是逐项都有啦。想过好康啊，阿华歹势无甲恁招。Conferences, exhibition of artworks and books, all in pure Taiwanese. It is just too good for me not to share with you. 是歹势无甲恁招哦，毋是歹势无甲恁招哦，你甲听看卖台语歌尔奥妙就好。They're not doing this for money, but they still need to sell more tickets to cover their expenses. So, get your credit card and let's be part of it. 这回11月因要办伫高雄，即马当咧卖票总钱。经费阁小可有欠点，毋望各位乡亲来甲因热情斗支持、斗赞助，感谢努力。
嘴念囡仔歌，汤吃甲来散步。